This is our second year of our Environment Expo, and we have some massive headwinds with all the environmental challenges that we have. So it's going to take a long time and a lot of effort to get there. But year two is we've made progress over year one in a couple different ways. One, we have a Fairfax Green Initiative, which has helped to have the Board of Supervisors establish a new environment department. We have a Community Environment and Climate Action Plan initiative that we are in the middle of standing up right now. And we have a joint environmental task force with the school board and the Board of Supervisors, which are working together to establish how can the county itself make a real difference environmentally. We have about 40 exhibitors here this morning. State agencies, we have county agencies, a number of county agencies that run the gamut of transportation to stormwater management and sewage treatment and litter control to activist groups. And then we have a number of local groups, the Park Authority and groups that are representing Mason Neck and some of our other communities that are very environmentally conscious. So as the weather conditions have been changing, we've seen an amazing difference in people's awareness and frankly their interest in making a difference. So there's so many little things and there's so many big things, and this frankly provides you with an opportunity to learn about all of them. The main message that we want people to take away from this is how you can act on climate change, how you individually, personally, directly can act on climate change and change habits or change how you interact and work with the environment. A key part of our future is having people trained and able to deliver the services that will make our planet greener and reduce our carbon usage, and frankly have this be a much more livable, enjoyable, wonderful place to play, live, and grow old.